Om Namah Shivaya. Omkareshwar temple is dedicated to God Shiva. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of Shiva. It is on an island called Mandhatta or Shivapuri in Narmada River at Gandwa district in Madhya Pradesh, India. The shape of the island is said to be like the Devanagari symbol. There are 12 Jyotirlingam temples in the world and Omkar is one of them. There are two main temples of Lord Shiva here, one to Omkareshwar located in the island and Mamalleshwar located on the south bank of Narmada River on the main island. Omkareshwar is formed by the sacred river Narmada. This is one of the most sacred rivers in India and it is now home to one of the world's biggest dam projects. The temple is situated on Mandhatta Island on the banks of Narmada and river Kaveri. The temple is situated on Mandhatta Island on the banks of Narmada. The island can be approached by boats and bridge. Most of the visitors consider both the temples as equally sacred Jyotirlinga and visit them. The temple has a grand Sabha Mandap standing on about 60 huge brown stone pillar, elaborately carved with curious frieze and fillet of satyr-like figures. The temple is 5-storied, each having different deity. The temple is always crowded with pilgrims coming after a bath in Narmada and many of them performing Abhishek or special worship through the priests. Omkareshwar temple is located 86 km from Indore and 576 km from Mumbai. Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and it is one of the 12 Jyotirlingam shrines which are said to be the most sacred abodes of Lord Shiva. It is located in the ancient city of Ujjain in the state of Madhya Pradesh, India. The temple is situated on the side of holy river Sipra. The presiding deity Lord Shiva in the lingam form, it is believed to be Swayambhu, deriving currents of power, Shakti, from within itself as against the other images and lingams that are ritually established and invested with mantra Shakti. Mahakal dominates the life of the city and its people even in the midst of the busy routine of modern preoccupations and provides an unbreakable link with the ancient Hindu traditions. Mahakaleshwar temple has been built in Maratha, Bhumija and Chalukya architectural styles. It has 5 levels, one of which is underground. There are images of Lord Shiva's concert, Goddess Parvati to the north, his sons Ganesha to the west, Kartikeya to the east and his mount Nandi to the south. On the second floor above the Mahakaleshwar Linga is the Omkareshwara Linga. Enshrined on the 3rd floor of the temple is an image of Nagachandiswarar with Lord Shiva and Parvati seated on a 10-hooded snake and surrounded by other statues. Lord Shiva resides in his Mahakal form in the Lingam and anyone who worships the Lingam is supposed to be free from death and diseases and also blessed by the Lord for the rest of his life. Om Namah Shivaya. If you like this video, please click like button. If you would like to share with others, please click share button. If you would like to get more updates about Darshan Chalo channel, please click subscribe button. Thank you.